Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the VTech baby monitor camera keeps going offline in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand how your model actually works. Some of the VTech monitors use a direct connection between the camera and the parent unit and not the Wi-Fi. There are some other units that uses Wi-Fi through the mobile application. So if you are using the Wi-Fi mode, the weak internet will cause the disconnections. If you are using the parent unit, the distance and the interference are the main issues. So make sure that you are troubleshooting the correct connection type. Now, VTech monitors often disconnect due to the signal interference. So nearby devices like router, smart TVs, microwaves, or even thick walls can break the signal. So in this situation, you need to basically move your camera at least 1 to 2 meter away from the router. Avoid placing it near the metal objects and keep a clear line between the camera and the parent unit. This alone going to fix many random offline issues. Now, if your camera connects through Wi-Fi, you need to make sure that you use a stable 2.4 gigahertz network. Avoid switching between the networks and restart your router and keep it close to the camera. Also check your internet upload speed. Low or unstable upload can cause the camera to go offline even if Wi-Fi is connected. So you can try these simple settings and see if your VTech baby monitor camera is now working again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.